my gosh. Is that my lipstick?
Hold still.
Stop, he looks crazy. Wipe it off.
No, Mom, he looks beautiful.
Now the squirrels will love you.
Why is he covered in Band-Aids? Is he hurt?
Yes, he had a big boo-boo.
Where? Is he bleeding?
No, he is hurt in his feelings. She was mean to him.
Why is he wearing a cooking pot?
It's a her hat.
Is he going to work?
No, the cat's up there. She's eating too much. She's heavy. If she falls on him, squish. Flat dog. Tom. Thank you.
Oh no! Did the dog chew the wall?
No, Mom. Look.
You drew a square around it?
It's art now. It is a masterpiece. Tickets are $5.